So, guys, if you want to know the amazing things I got in this order, just make sure you stay tuned to the end. Hello, besties. It's your girl bobokiddifashion. If you're only following me on YouTube, you don't know what you're missing out. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. I post amazing behind the scenes. But while you're here, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, turn on notifications. You don't want to miss out. So, guys, I took a leap of faith and I ordered from Nigeria, right? So, before these goods arrive, I can tell you I had 3 heart attacks, 17 panic attacks. Like, guys, it was a lot of stress. Oh, and this the delivery agency, right? Like, I have to give it to them. I had minimal complaints. Let's just leave it at that. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. So yeah, finally the goods are here. So let's go through this and see what I got, see what I think. So first things first, Baba's tape. I made mention in one of my videos. I saw this hack online about Baba's tape and I needed to get it. So this one is this wrap me is mostly used for pizzas and the Baba's tape is used for installation. So let's get started. So first I was just trying to open this and you can see I was so happy, guys. Like, you can't really just imagine how happy I was when these things finally arrived, right? I was so excited. So, first of all, I had these brushes that she gave to me. I think this was like a cadeau, right? Maybe like a dash. So, and I really appreciate because I really needed them. So, yeah. So next was this palette of powder. So when I was getting this initially, I thought I was getting the foundation because I do not know nothing about makeup. So I was thinking I was getting the foundation. So I only found this later on that this one is a powder and it's not the foundation I was getting. So yeah, I guess it is what it is. So yeah, let's get started. So next is this wrap strip. It's used mainly for pizzas and you could also use it for installation of black wigs, right? So but I always love to use the white one so that it doesn't leave any residue on my lace. And then next was this 3-in-1 clip I saw online. So you can basically grip hair 3 times, like not just 2 times but 3 times. So I decided to get it because why not? I love to see things and try it so that I can have my own review. So here's what it's looking like. So it's a 3-in-1. I'm going to show you a proper video on how to use this. So for now, let's just unbox. And I got this blue shampoo because what inspired me to get this shampoo was the other day I was trying to bleach my 360 lace and I kind of over bleached it. So I needed something that is going to correct that. So I just quickly added this shampoo to the mix. So yeah, and then I got my metallic booster brush. This one is good for coils. I already have the wooden one which is good for straightening, so I needed this one which is good for coils. So yeah, so I got that as well. And yeah, so that's it. And I also got this scissors, right? This I got this the long and short shears, and I also got this thinning scissors. I think you're going to see that later on in the video as well. This was the first one I saw. And I also got this also this one of my cadeaux that my sweet supplier gave to me. And I also got this hair clips for sectioning your hair when you're walking, right? Because the ones I got they kind of got damaged all, so I needed to replace them. And I also got these other clips also for sectioning as well. So this one is kind of like to pin it up when you're walking on your hair, and the black one is kind of to pin when you're walking alongside. Like I use it alongside, maybe I'm coiling my hair or I'm straightening, I'm going to pin the hair that is horizontal. Is that it? I think so. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm talking about. And this one I just use it to clip the hair. Maybe I've sectioned my hair into 2 sections. I just use it to clip the hair up. So, and the black one I use it to pin the hair along, but you can use it anyhow you want, but that's just how I use mine. So next we had this velcro grip rollers. I absolutely needed this because, guys, have you seen those bobs online that be bobbing like? I saw this and I just knew I needed to get this to try it out because I've been looking for it, and as in I haven't seen it, so I was happy when my supplier had this, so I just said it, why not, let's get this so that I can, yeah, use it for my bob wigs, for my coils, for my bombshell coils, because it gives volume and it's just perfect. So yeah, so I think I got this in two sizes, maybe. Is it the small and large or the medium and large, guys? I don't know, but I got it in two sizes and I got two packs of each. Guys, you guys didn't tell me this thing was so freaking expensive, guys. So next I got tweezers and my T-pins. So yeah, so these T-pins I wish I got maybe like 4 packs, because some of them are really missing by the time I'm making this video. So yeah, so I think I should have gotten more. I'm going to get more of these. There are some things I'm just going to get more of when next I'm buying from Nigeria. So yeah, so next was this hair mousse I got. So I got 3 sheets, right? So yeah, here are the 3 sheets I got. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to let you know what I think. Because I always prefer lace tint to foundation. And next we got this Lotta Baby, and is best used for heatless coils, right? So I can't wait to do some heatless coils and use this. So yeah, next I think this was okay, the roots cover up, right? So yeah, so in case your lace is maybe losing some hairs or bad, you can use this to cover up. In case you over bleach, you can use this as a temporary cover up. So yeah, so I saw this and I was like, okay, let me get it. But then again, guys, immediately after getting this, I was regretting, because I saw this other one that was really easy to use. It's kind of like, do you know the way this liquid polish comes with this soft like sponge that you just like rub on it? But this one is a spray, so I just knew it's going to be difficult. If I knew, I should have gotten the other one. But moving on. So next was this butterfly shadow spray that I got. I think I got two, right? I can see the other one in the carton. Like, I haven't taken it out yet. And then I also got purple shampoo. So I got blue and purple shampoo because they serve two different purposes, and one is good for this, one is good for the other. So I got two of them. So here they are. And then next was the barber's tape, the white, right? So like I told you, the black wrap me, I use it mainly for pizza, and then the white I use it for installation, so because I don't want to leave any black residue on the lace after tying it down, right? So yeah, so also there was this removal, um this other one, guys, this comb that has this scissors in it, I also got this as well. And then this other scissors, I think it was a thinning scissors, right? So yeah, so here's the comb, so it's looking like. And well, okay, so here are the 3 scissors I got. One was supposed to be long and short, but it seems as if there was a mix up, because I think they both are the same length. And here's a thinning scissors. So these are the 3 I got. So yeah, and what's next? Let's see. Okay, guys, so I got these pins to hold up my coils, and these are some of the things. This particular pin with the T-pins, I think I should have gotten like 4 of each, because by the time I'm doing this video, most of the things are already missing. You can't believe. So I'm just trying to compare them with the one I previously got, and I just see that these ones were really good, and if I knew, I should have gotten more, because I don't know when next I'll be buying, because I can't just buy a single item from Nigeria to be shipped all the way to Cameroon. So I don't know when next I'm going to buy, but we'll see. I'm going to add some of those things when buying. So here's the other butterfly spray I got. So yeah, I got 2 of these. So when I'm buying certain things, I always prefer to get 2, since I don't buy constantly, especially over long distances. And I also got this shaving machine for my bob wigs. Like when getting this machine, I already had a wig a client had given to me that I had to trim, and so I got this machine specifically for that week and to use. And then next was this pizza coiler that I got. So yeah, Can't wait to try it out. So I just decided to open it so you can see. So here's what it's looking like. So yep, can't wait to try this out. Use it on my pizza coils. And yeah, so you could also use it while straightening your bob, especially those 10 inches bob, right, where the first line is really really short, so you could use that. And the next is this straightener I got. So this is another straightener I got. So the pizza I got the pizza straightener, or is it pizza coiler, and then I got two straighteners, a small size and a bigger size. So those are the two I got, and this one is a 3 head camper. So I just, guys, even though I don't really get a lot of clients that come in for this particular hairstyle, personally I really love it. Like, I just love the results that this 3 camper gives, especially with longer hairs, maybe like 30 inches. I just really love it. And then I got some coilers as well. I'm guessing I got maybe the 18 inch, 28 inch, and 38 inch. Yeah. So yeah, so those are the 3 colors I got. Guys, I really, these are the main things that actually made me to do all this shopping. Like, these are the main things. I really desperately needed colors, because when I had it wasn't really serving its purpose anymore, and the sizes weren't correlating. I was having difficulties removing some particular colors because I didn't have the perfect sizes. So I was like, why not just get 3 sizes that are going to move majority of the colors that you want, and together with that 3 camper, I think I'm going to get them all. So this particular coiler, I just got it because why not? But after using this coiler, guys, I use this coiler on my pizzas. So if I'm not using the pizza coiler, I use this coiler because it's really tiny, and the coils are more defined, especially if my client want coils for her pizza and not just waves, right? So waves, you're going to use the pizza coiler to get the waves. It's just like an S coil. But when you need real coils and the hair is a bit longer, I'll advise you use maybe an 18-inch coiler, or you could still use the pixel coiler to get it. I just prefer to use the 18-inch coiler when I need to wear coils on shorter length hairs. And this one, I think this is a size 28 coiler. Yeah, so this is the most used coiler. Like, most clients will request, the most clients will use this on their hair. And this is a 38-inch for more of those big bouncy blowouts. Like, yeah, so perfect. I can't wait to use this and see the results, right? So yeah, guys, I think I didn't show the argan oil and conditioner I got. I can see it, but I don't remember showing it. So yeah, that's it. You can see it's in the carton, and I think I forgot that. And I was more focused on my dryer, because this dryer, guys, I have like 3 dryers. 2 only blow hot air, and the one that blows hot and cold was bad. So I had difficulty. If you notice in my recent videos, I was using the hand fan, because guys, I really think that cold air is more important than hot air when it comes to installation. Like, I really don't use hot air whatsoever. So yeah, guys, that's it. I think that's all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you think about the products. Bye bye.